Listen, speak, read, write.
Welcome back to Read and Quiz. Today we will learn the alphabet and animals.
A. Alligator. B. Bird. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Frog. G. Giraffe. H. Hippopotamus. I. Iguana. J. Jellyfish. K. Kangaroo. L. Lemur. M. Mongoose. N. Nutria. O. Owl. P. Penguin. Q. Quokka. R. Rabbit. S. Skunk. T. Tiger. U. Unau. V. Vicuna. W. Whale. X. Xoloitzcuintli. Y. Yak. Z. Zebra. Now it's time for our quiz. You have 5 seconds to read the question and 10 seconds to answer. That's the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and a comment would be wonderful.